Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you're just joining us, make sure to check out part 1 for the history and evolution of milk tea. Now, let's get into the fun part, exploring the flavors and the global craze that's spreading this drink far and wide. Expansion of milk tea chains worldwide. Local shops started it, but franchises scaled it. Brands like Chatime and Gong Cha turned milk tea into a reliable crave, any city, anytime. Why chains work? Consistency. Same chewy pearls in Berlin as in Bangkok. Localized flavors. Matcha in Japan, ube in the Philippines, menus adapted without losing the core appeal. Fast casual model. Quick service with custom orders, sugar levels, ice, toppings, fit modern habits. The US alone saw a huge increase in bubble tea shops from 2010 to 2020. Even Starbucks tried hopping on the trend with its own tea lattes, but the OG Boba spots held their ground. Milk tea's rise wasn't luck, it was the perfect storm of shareable moments and smart business. And the craze isn't slowing down. Health impacts of milk tea. Milk tea is undeniably delicious, but is it good for you? The answer isn't black and white. While the tea itself brings antioxidants and a mild energy boost, the added sugar, cream, and toppings can turn it into a calorie bomb. Knowing what's in your cup helps you enjoy it without overdoing it. Nutritional content and sugar concerns. Most milk teas start with a healthy base, tea leaves. Black, green, or oolong tea provides antioxidants like polyphenols, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. But the benefits can get overshadowed by what's added next. Sugar. A single 16-ounce milk tea can pack 30 to 50 grams of sugar, more than a can of soda. Excessive sugar spikes blood glucose, leading to energy crashes and long-term risks like diabetes. Calories. Sweetened condensed milk or creamers add 200 to 400 calories per serving. Toppings like boba, tapioca pearls, tack on another 100 to 150 calories. Dairy or non-dairy creamers. Some chains use powdered creamer high in trans fats, which are linked to heart disease. Swapping to half sugar or sugar-free syrup cuts the sweetness without losing flavor. Or, try sipping it slowly, savor the taste rather than treating it like a thirst quencher. Healthier alternatives and modifications. You don't have to give up milk tea to stay healthy. Small tweaks can make it a better fit for your diet. Lighter base options. Unsweetened almond or oat milk. Fewer calories than creamers, with a nutty flavor. Fresh milk. More protein and no artificial trans fats. Tea-forward brews. Ask for less milk to highlight the tea's natural taste. Smart topping choices. Aloe vera or chia seeds. Adds texture with fiber and ChatGPT said. Minimal sugar. Less boba. Half the pearls to reduce empty carbs. Fruit jelly. Opt for real fruit bits over syrup-soaked jellies. DIY at home. Brew strong tea, add a splash of milk, and sweeten with a teaspoon of honey or stevia. Freeze blended tea into ice cubes to avoid dilution without extra ice. The key. Balance. Enjoy milk tea as an occasional treat rather than a daily habit. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Making the perfect milk tea at home. Craving milk tea but don't want to leave the house? Good news, you can make it just as delicious at home. With the right ingredients and a few simple steps, your kitchen can turn into a Boba cafe. Here's how to brew, mix, and customize your perfect cup. Essential ingredients for homemade milk tea. Start with quality basics. These ingredients make all the difference. Tea. Black tea, Assam or Ceylon, is classic, but jasmine or Earl Grey work too. Loose leaf tastes richer than bags. Milk. Whole milk makes it creamy, but oat or almond milk keeps it light. For extra richness, try condensed or evaporated milk. Sweetener. White sugar is standard, but brown sugar or honey adds depth. Toppings, optional. Cooked boba pearls, grass jelly, or pudding for texture. Pro tip. If using boba, buy quick-cooked tapioca pearls. They soften in 5 minutes. Fresh is always better than pre-packaged syrup-soaked versions. Step-by-step brewing guide. Brew the tea strong. Use 1 tablespoon loose-leaf tea, or 2 bags, per cup of hot water. Steep for 4 to 5 minutes, no longer, or it gets bitter. Sweeten while hot. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar, or honey, until dissolved. This blends better than adding it later. Add milk slowly. Pour in 1/4 cup milk per serving. Taste and adjust. More milk mellows the tea, less keeps it bold. Cool or ice it. For iced milk tea, refrigerate the brew or pour it over ice. Hot milk tea. Just skip this step. Top it off. Drop in boba, jelly or whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. Want extra flavor? Shake your iced tea with a cocktail shaker. It blends everything and adds a frothy finish. Or steep a cinnamon stick with the tea leaves for warmth. The best part. You control the sugar, strength, and creativity. Swap in matcha powder instead of tea, or blend in strawberries for a fruity twist. Once you master the basics, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.